This is one way to hang wallpaper on a ceiling. Now, if you're like the folks in England, painting and decorating, I forget the name of the channel. The guy is amazing. He does it himself. And it's not easy to hang this yourself. This is the core of a wallpaper roll. It keeps the wallpaper from collapsing on you. You see how nice and neat it keeps it? So if you can get that from a roll of wallpaper, you'll use it as a tool to hold the wallpaper from collapsing. And then, as your helper, it becomes really easy until you go to move the scaffold. Sometimes he falls off. But if you can do it like this and get a helper, you're in business. Now, a lot of people mess it up because there are very few videos on YouTube on hanging paper on the ceiling. Now, one of the most important things is your helper has to have taken a shower, because you get really close, and when you get close, you know what happens. Okay, so, but we're far from done. Now, to keep that from falling, you're going to take this and you're going to put it in an indiscreet location. To give your arms a break, because you're going to need a break. And then always looking down and being aware of your surroundings, you're then going to put the wallpaper in place. The rest you know how to do. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Well, it doesn't have to be, yeah, I mean, the canvas, and I need to start using them more. You know, my lifestyle, it isn't feeling.
Right. One of the best tools to smooth out wallpaper, if it's not textured. If the wallpaper is textured, this is so hard on the wallpaper, it might tear it. But if you want to get all the air out, less than $3 in the USA. You can order it from Harbor Freight. If you give them my name, Spencer Colgan, they'll charge you $5 for it. Some people won't get that joke. Here's the trick. Cameraman, please come in closer. When I touch the ceiling with this, I'm gently touching it. As I start to move, I increase the pressure. The reason being, if I press on it right away, you're gonna have dent marks all over your wallpaper that won't come out. Okay? Gentle, increase pressure, press on. Gentle, increase, increase, increase. Gentle, increase. Gentle, increase. Okay. Now, Lastly, when you're, that's my third pass on the wallpaper, by the way. Ceilings, if you blow it, if you don't want to be perfect, if you're not perfect with this, get yourself textured wallpaper, put it on your ceiling. It'll hide a lot of imperfections in your method of installation. This is a microfiber towel on the end of this. It is one of the best tools that I have. One of the greatest reasons for callbacks, come back. No, I meant my words. One of the greatest reasons to get called back from customers when they call you, hey, I need you to come back, is smudges on the shiny wallpaper. This has a satin-like sheen. Okay, but even if it were matte, because it's on a ceiling, the light will highlight any imperfections, especially if you leave paste on the ceiling. So you must get it off. Oh. Okay, I'll see you on the next frame. That's good. You can kill it. Let's splice this. Come in close. You have to use one of these. Can I show them up close? You can stop and go reconnect. Now, please grab me a ladder so I can do the rest of it the other way. You can cut it. Want to show them the cut? You just come in, show them the cut.